Good morning, grade 4. Hope you all fine. Let's complete what we started about collision. So, last time we talked about energy and collision. Today we're going to talk about speed and collision. Okay? So, we have a small experiment to do to understand the relation between speed and collision. If you have this object, try to do it with me. Play piece of cardboard, hard surface like wooden table. Okay? Okay. Now you have to roll a ball of clay in your hand and smoothen its sides until it's become like a ball. Okay? Use the cardboard that we have here, this carton one, to make a landing platform on the table. Then what? Hold the clay ball at a distance 1 meter above the platform. Okay, as we can see here in this picture. So, lightly open your hands to drop the clay ball onto the platform without throwing it, just like slide it from your hand. Okay, the shape of the clay ball change a little and becomes irregular after dropping it. So, if you repeat this one, but this time throw the clay ball with a gentle force. So you give the pole a kind of force to increase its speed. The shape of the clay change more than the previous one and to become more irregular after throwing it gently. So from this, you can understand this. As the force and the speed of the moving object increase, the amount of its kinetic energy increase during collision also. So kinetic energy increase and also speed increase. The force increase, also kinetic energy increase. So there is a relationship between force, speed, and kinetic energy. Force and speed of a moving object increase, causing increasing in kinetic energy during collision. So you also have to know this. Different vehicles have different masses, like truck and car and bicycle. Vehicles have different masses. Large truck has much greater mass than the car. And if a large truck is traveling at the same speed of the truck has more kinetic energy than the car. So the truck need a bigger engine than the car. Again, if a larger train is traveling at the same speed like a car, both of them travel in the same speed. The truck has more kinetic energy than the car, although both of them. So, the truck needs a bigger engine than the car. You know what? It also needs more fuel to burn more fuel. So, as the vehicles move faster, the amount of fuel that burns inside the engine increase to provide it with more kinetic energy. As the mass of an object increase, its kinetic energy increase. So, at the end, the truck has a big mass, need big engine, need more fuel to burn it and get kinetic energy. So now this track has more kinetic energy. But cars are small in mass, has a small engine, less fuel can be used, so they has less kinetic energy. So that's why a large mass vehicle causes more damage when it hits something or someone than a small mass vehicle. So if I have a truck or large mass vehicle and a small mass vehicle like car and both of them hit a person, for example, actually and both of them have the same speed, the one causing more damage is the large mass vehicle. Even they have the same speed, still large mass vehicle causing more damage. we have a bicycle, will cause some injuries to this person, but he will survive. But if we have a car, this life of this person may be in danger. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.